Hey, what's up guys? So once again, we are going to look into one of the newest games that we have been playing on this channel for quite a while, and it's called Bomb Crypto, if you guys have no idea. So Bomb Crypto has once again set up instant maintenance, and during this maintenance they introduced a nerf that gave everybody like a 90% kind of nerf, which is really insane. And to be honest, to nerf someone 90%, you're almost taking almost every kind of earning possible. It's just really insane. Alright, so if you look on the screen right now, you can see this is the new nerf table that we have that was done by the community. I think the Thai ones. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys from Thailand. Very supportive of the play to earn economy in Thailand. So as you can see, this is the first column shows the ROI. This is the rewards in percentage. If I'm reading it wrong, I'm not sure how to read the Thai language, but I'm guessing that is what it is. And then this 0 to 250 is the amount of Bcoins that the percentage that you have ROI from the game. So if that makes no sense, I'll give you an example. So for example, if you have invested 150 Bcoins into Bomb Crypto, and you know, maybe you're like me who has already ROI where you have earned more than 150 Bcoins, you will fall into this column here, which is 101 to 150, depending on the number of Bcoins that you earn. So to get this number is pretty simple. What you gotta do is to take the number of Bcoins that you have earned divided by the number of Bcoins that you put into the game times the percentage, and that will give you a rough number of what's your ROI currently. Do remember that this ROI is in Bcoins and not in dollar value or the value of Bcoins, and we'll go into that as well, which is a whole new story to talk about. So as you can see from this table, for those who have joined the game a lot earlier than I have, you guys are probably at the 200 mark, and this is not good because you're like at a 90% nerf rate, which is super insane. So to give you an idea, if you just started out on the game, when you to mine a diamond chest or a blue chest, for example, that's what you see in the game, you'll be getting maybe 0.25 Bcoin or a quarter Bcoin every time you break that chest. And breaking that chest is not easy. It takes a lot of bombs to break that single chest. So previously they have already increased the HP of this chest, and this increased the difficulty to even earn more Bcoins. And let's say you have already earned, you have your ROI 2 times, you're getting 0.032 Bcoins. So if we do some quick math here, 0.032 Bcoins times the value of Bcoins, which is currently at 85 cents, it means that you're only earning 2 cents, like 2 cents every time you break a blue chest, which is like the hardest chest to break in the game. So this is really crazy. I mean, just look at the nerf, man. Like, I got no idea why would people want to continue playing this game, because the nerf is so high now. It doesn't even make sense, because the moment you join the game and you ROI 50%, you're just gonna get nerfed. It doesn't reward you for clearing more stages. It doesn't reward you for clearing bosses at all. You're just gonna get nerf, and nerf. So the next thing that we want to talk about is adventure mode. So I'm a pretty big noob at games. So to be honest, I think I'm stuck on adventure mode for a pretty long time now. And you can see that, yep, right now I'm getting a quarter Bcoin for completing one adventure mode, which is kind of ridiculous right now, and that's like 20 cents. Like
it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
Maybe I'm better off playing Axie Infinity, because I'm able to earn like 150 SLP a day, which has better ROI, because like 150 times 3 cents, I'm at least getting 30 cents plus a day. And because Axie Infinity is a skill-based game, definitely there are times that you'll lose. There are times that you'll have a higher win rate because it's really skill-based. But yeah, the adventure mode isn't all exciting. Completing higher levels do not give you even more rewards, and the rewards are just a diminishing return, right? It doesn't make sense for anyone to even play the adventure mode at all. I got friends who have like 80 over keys, and these guys are not like, they are not even bothered to play adventure mode because to them it's too much of a hassle. It's just insanely crazy to have, I don't know, like to them it's like it's not worth the time and effort, and there's a cooldown of 24 hours every time I use my best hero to play the game. So that is the second thing I have with Bomb Crypto. So let's talk about the third point and why I feel that Bomb Crypto is gonna go down. So we have a lot of things on the roadmap like staking, PvP and stuff. So none of those things has come upon or have come up yet except for Marketplace, and we'll cover Marketplace as well right after this point. And talking about staking, I think that is one way to give the game some way to sustain itself because people have governance over it. Usually you should, when you're allowing people to stake, there should be some governance point of view, and that will allow community to drive decisions, which, let's be real, these guys are playing the game, they would know the game better than the developers. I mean, you can control the game all you want, but at the end of the day, those playing the games will know what they want from the game, what they think is best for them as a player. And ultimately, if a community agrees or a large amount of community agrees, then that will be great because the game will be really decentralized in that sense. And right now it's just very centralized because maintenance can just come up anytime, and the last maintenance was like 24 hours. So part of me is like, you know what, just screw this, I'm just gonna not play the game for the next 2 days. So last but not least, let's talk about the marketplace for Bomb Crypto. So the marketplace looks pretty good now because people are not lowballing their super legends anymore. You see the let me see that. Let's go to low price. Yeah, so you can see the prices of super legends are slowly increasing. Like we used to be at 700, I think, but now you see it's pushing 800, 900, and you can see the newly listed or recently sold, they're all sold within the $800 range or 800 Bcoin range, I'm sorry. But this is only because Bcoin has fallen so much. From the previous maintenance, it was $1.30, and right now it's like 85 cents. And to make things even worse, they added a few more decimal places here. Like, I got no idea what they're trying to do, and it's just not going well. So if you look at the marketplace, so yeah, the heroes are increasing in prices, but because the price of Bcoin is dropping. So keep that in mind. That's a good point to take note of. And let's look at the B houses as well. So prices are just getting a little bit inflated just because the price of the token is falling, that's all. I mean, if you are looking to join the game, don't get too excited that you can sell your legendary heroes for a very high price, because minting it is only 10 Bcoins, you can sell it for 700. The main reason you can do that is because you are just getting inflationary tokens. That doesn't make sense at all. So like now the cheapest price house is like 590 Bcoins, which is a tiny house. It's not too bad. Let's see how much is a tiny house on the marketplace. Tiny house was sold for 720 Bcoins. So this was the point when it was 720 Bcoins. When I joined, it was still available for sale, so I think that was around $7. So if you had spent $5,000 to buy a tiny house that was worth 720 Bcoins, you can now buy the same house from the marketplace at $501. So essentially, people are just losing money like crazy because your $5,000 investment from the house has now become $500. Definitely you could have probably earned a little bit more because your heroes are charging faster. But let's be real, I don't think you're able to earn 5,000 Bcoins in a month to even outrun the house. It's just very disappointing right now. And to be honest, I got no idea what is the future of the game. I got no idea what's going to happen next. But I just think that the game is slowly tapering off. It might just this might be the slowest rug pull in the history of play to earn games, man. I got no idea. I'm not saying that it's a rug pull, but if it's a rug pull, it's gonna be the slowest one ever. It's just insanely crazy that so many people are just gonna lose a lot of money here. So that's all I have today for the Bomb Crypto update. Definitely there are some suggestions which I think is really cool that I've seen in the Discord channel. Like there was a user that said, you know, we should just limit 1 account per user, which I think is fantastic. They should release let's see, they should ban auto-click bots, which I think is great as well. I think one of the failure point was they allow auto-clickers or they allow bots, and that kind of like, you know, killed the game in that sense. So the other thing that I think is pretty, I don't know if it's pretty good, but there were some suggestions to have ads after each map so that there is some income coming in for the team, and then the money that was earned from the ad can be used to purchase Bcoins, and then kept in a treasury or kept in a reward pool, things like that. And some said to add ads on the website itself so that the team has some income. But at the end of the day, I think the only thing the team is doing right now is they are just nerfing everything just to slow down the rate of Bcoins being minted, which I don't think is the right way to do. I think that will ultimately cause the death of the game.